is the essence of God. And the activation of that is the ancestral power of those who preceded us. So as a man who's read Bible, Quran thoroughly, and I'm telling you, Abraham, Moses, Muhammad, learn, study, cool. But learn to study yourself. Go find out your history. Go find out who your mama was, who your grandmama was, who your great-grandmama was, and see the power that you possess. Because as we continue to produce children, what we going to give them if we don't have an identity for ourselves? And that's why the enemy can come in our communities and start to give us an identity and shape us and mold us to be haters of ourselves because we ain't really learned ourselves. So I'm saying the answer is this. What's what I tell us? It's time to love and learn each other. You got a Moses in your family. You got an Abraham in your family. You got a Muhammad in your family. And you go down your lineage and you get to see who you really are. You get to see the power that you have. Because everything came from the original man and woman. You got a grandma who probably created an invention 300 years ago that now we're still benefiting from today. So I'm saying learn yourself, and that's when we're going to have the power.
Okay, we're going to have to end it right there. We got to end it right there, y'all. Can y'all give a round of applause for the community?